TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 27, Nasdaq's up 3, S&P's are flat. We have the gold contract down $4.20, trading at $1,076. Silver is up a penny at $14.33. Both gold and silver, folks, last week had rejected lower price, had lighter volume. They had followed through to the top side. We'll see how this shakes out now, but it looks like gold's going to go after $1,088. Platinum's flat this morning at $8.74. We have the copper market down 2 pennies at $2.12 a pound. Light sweet crude still just can't get a bid. We're at $35.83 in this contract. That looks like it's still going to go after the December 2008 low, which is $32.40. Bonds, you have the 10-year down 3 ticks, 30 off 7 ticks. Both had gone topside Thursday and Monday, had volume behind the move. You're backing down with lighter volume. Those bonds are on higher price. Pretty amazing, pretty deviant also. The 30-year is right next to its high right now. King Dollar's down 244 ticks, 98.12. Now, what King Dollar is doing, King Dollar is actually drifting lower. You know, what you had is that on December 4th, when Draghi came out with not extending, or he didn't expand the stimulus in Europe. When that happened, that dollar got smoked, came down with volume. You had a counter trend bounce up with lighter volume. Now it's drifting lower again. I expect what you're going to see here is that King Dollar is going to go after that lower swing point of 94.05. Euro is up 53 right now at 109, and the yen is trading at 120.93. If we go up and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you have out here is this. You know, we, of course, have a holiday week. Things are going to get slower out here. They're going to push the market around. Bottom line, that being said, what you have is this. You know, we can go all the way back to May of this year, and every high is getting sold. Every high thus far from May has dramatically lighter volume. When we're getting sold down, we have some real juice down at these lower levels. What that sets up is we're at 201.94. I expect we're going to go test the 195.03. We'll see if that level holds. There's a lot of volume down there, but the bottom line is it wants to get down there. That's on your SPYs. On the NDX 100, if we take a look at the Qs, what you have with the Qs, same type of setup. It's the same benchmark, by the way. The benchmark you want to be keeping your eye on is this October 2nd level, 104.01. That's the benchmark inside the NDX 100 or the 3 Qs. Bonds, the ever-ready bond market just doesn't stop. It's pretty amazing, actually. We're at 126.10 on the 30-year. The closing on the 30-year all-time high is 126.26. So 128.26 rather. So you're 2.5 points away from the highs, from the all-time closing high. Now the 30-year is even more intense. The 30-year is right next to the closing high right now. The 30-year, the closing high in the 30-year is 157.10. We're at 155.23. Bottom line, looks to me like we're going to go up and we're going to charge into that area. Gold contract, what we have with gold, and this is where it totally gets counterintuitive also, folks. And what it is that you think that the Fed has gone up on rates, that bottom line, gold would get smoked, silver would get smoked, bonds would get smoked. Well, just the opposite's happening. Gold caught a bid yesterday also, goes topside, and in the holiday week, you had volume. We did 122,000 contracts, and it looks like to me we're going to go test the 1,088. We had 209,000 contracts up at that level December 4th. You know, you come into that level and you get juice and you take that out with real volume, then you're going to see some real action inside that market. What I do expect you're going to see out here the next couple of days, you're going to see lighter volume. Oh, the FTSE and the DAX overseas, folks, they sold off dramatically yesterday. They're having a hard time catching a bid. I do expect there's some divergence there between our markets and theirs. We'll catch up with that market. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
It's true. Life is all about choices. At Everbank, they're making it easy for you to make a smart one with this special cash offer. Open a new Yield Pledge money market account with funds from another financial institution, or deposit new funds into an existing Yield Pledge money market account, and you could earn up to a $500 cash reward. And if you're opening a new account, you'll also get their new higher 6-month bonus interest rate, along with their Yield Pledge promise that ensures your yield will always be in the top 5% of competitive accounts at banks nationwide. Open a new account or add to one. It's your choice. To qualify, you must meet balance and other limited time offer requirements. Go to everbank.com/TFNN for details and deposit options, or speak with one of their banking specialists at 1-855-750-4051 for more information. You must act by December 31st, 2015 to be eligible. Everbank is a member FDIC.